So this is the town map. Look at all of the businesses.
Think about it, they got U.S. phone numbers you can call.
Exactly.
Yeah. That's really good.
Sweet. And if you look right there, there's our friend Deb getting a shoe shine, and Jim. What do you think, Mr. C? What do y'all think?
Best buddy Ed here.
Best fish tacos anywhere.
That's it.
Exactly. So, what do you think about the medicine we bought?
Super deal.
Ed,
deal.
Ed, you got yours?
I got a little. Yeah. Can't wait to try it.
Sweet, sweet, sweet.
Good deal. Fish tacos in an hour.
Okay.
I'm getting hungry.
Fish tacos in an hour.
Sure.
So I want to show y'all a little bit of the town. And you have these vendors. Oh, there's our friend Sandy. And you have vendors everywhere. Well, what you doing, Mr. Doug?
Getting my shoes taken care of.
Sweet.
Yeah. Doing a nice job.
All right. And those are suede?
They are, yeah.
Awesome. Awesome, awesome. So what you thinking about this place so far?
Loving it.
It's too bad we have to wear a mask, huh? Okay, that looks good. Sweet. Y'all look at their shoes. So how much did you pay, Dad?
I paid $4 and tipped $1, so I paid $5.
And you paid?
$4, $5.
Sweet.
Yep.
And they look so good. Awesome.
Lewis has good English. He's the first.
Say hello.
In between all the cracks of the food, it just.
Hello, YouTube.
How is your first visit? How is your first visit?
Excellent. It's so fun. A lot of fun.
And you had fish tacos earlier today.
Yes.
And how were they?
Excellent.
And Doug?
I don't like fish, but I do now.
Those fish tacos are pretty good.
And Mr. Jim?
Mm-hmm.
Is it good? Always.
Yes, ma'am.
Right?
Oh,
Always.
This is my second time here today.
And it's only what time is it?
12 o'clock.
12 o'clock.
We had breakfast here and we had lunch. And I bought some stuff, but I don't think you can come here without doing that.
I don't know what Ollie bought, but he bought some stuff.
Well, I bought a blanket,
Bought
and
a
a
bunch
jacket, and some mats.
And we can't come to this place without buying a piece of jewelry because
That's right.
these people are very sweet.
They do have jewelry.
Yeah,
But
so-
I have not bought any yet, and I've been here like 6 times.
Very pretty.
Oh, let me
I
see.
kind of like it. I think it's cute. It's different from what you normally
Oh.
see. So.
cook.
Look at there. This has great lighting.
Rambo. Yeah.
Wow.
Daryl.
Daryl.
Great lighting at night.
He has to take your word for it.
Lay down.
What's that, 3 plus white?
Come here.
Slap him now.
Funny.
My 3 plus white and my 4 black is going strong.
Yeah, we wore them other kids out today. Y'all know what
Sure
I'm talking
did.
about. They all crashed.
Well, Deb came home and cooked for 3.5
she did. And
hours.
She did.
She needs her rest. She was. Boy, what a hoot those guys were today. Man, what a hoot. Oh man.
Awesome.
It was pretty fun. Pretty fun stuff.
Awesome.
So Mexico on Sunday?
Yes. Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, we're gonna.
See, front camera.
We want to go. I got some.
You
money
can see
now.
yourself.
Yeah, I know. That's one of the.
The banks.
Uh-huh.